This video I'm going to walk you through how to buy phone on Jumia and pay later. And basically not every phone on Jumia is really available for pay later, but then let's check it out on how to go about it. So the next thing you're going to do is just open your Jumia app, whether you're on Android device or iPhone. So once you log in into your account, just scroll all the way down. Then you can see right here, you can see something is changing. You can see buy now, pay later. You can see on that particular side, so you can see buy now, pay later, buy now, pay later. So you can see they are showing different products. The next thing you're gonna do, just click on that. So then it's gonna take you straight down to this page. So you can see these are the partner which Jumia actually partner with, so that they'll be the one to undo the payment process. You can see Credit Power and Easybuy, so they are the one that they're gonna undo the buy now pay later process. So if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see all the instruction that they needed from you. You can see right here, download our buy now pay later partner app on Apple store, on Google Play Store. You can see this is the app, which is Credit Power. Payment card, you can see every details have already been listed, so you have no issue at all. So this is the process to go about. So then you're gonna see different products that are much available for buy now and pay later. So all you just need to do, just go through this process. Then you can download Easybuy app and can download the Credit Power app. So what you have to do is to download one of these apps first before you can actually proceed. So they already provided every details you need to go about. You can see this second step is to sign up by providing the necessary KYC information on your Jumia account, and then the payment card. Add your preferred repayment card to help you make timely repayment. Log into your Jumia app right there, then select the items you actually want to buy, then enter the delivery method information you wanted to use. Then buy now pay later option is going to show to you. Then you can place your order just like that. So on the buy now pay later, you're going to be selecting one of these company, either the Easybuy or Credit Power. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So let's say I want to buy a phone. So I'm going to click on phone and tablet. Then let me choose a phone. Let me choose this Redmi. Then you can see right here, so I already choose the Redmi. I'm going to click on add to cart. Then I'm going to click on my cart at the top right. Then let me remove this fan. Sorry, let me remove this fan. Okay, so I can only have the phone. So I'm going to click on continue. Then you're going to see on this page right here where it say pay with card, bank transfer and others. So there's an option where it's supposed to be showing you on the buy now pay later, but then if it's not showing, you can also follow this same process. But then when you're adding the card, you're gonna be using one of the card that you actually generated when you register on the Credit Power or on the Easybuy platform. So as you can see on this card right here, so they're gonna give you a card that you can use. So it's very easy to go about it. Just make sure you register on any of these company first before you proceed on to place any order. So you can see Credit Power and Easybuy. So one of the company you should register from first before you can actually proceed.